Right, Samsung's not sitting still on this one. One UI 8.5 has barely rolled out and they've already opened the One UI 9 beta, based on Android 17, live in 3 countries already. The headline change is the quick panel. You can resize the brightness and volume sliders, separate the sound mode button, and tweak the media player layout, all of it now properly customizable. Bigger overhaul than it sounds. 2 other tricks worth a mention: Samsung DeX got a multi-desktop overhaul. Move app windows between desktops with one tap. Desktop previews now sit at the top of recents. Samsung Notes gets a tape feature so you can cover bits of a note and reveal them later. Then there's the privacy update I actually like. A small blue dot now appears on screen whenever an app is using your location. Tap it and you'll see exactly which app's pinging you, plus a load of new accessibility features, including text spotlight and select to speech. So that's One UI 9 in a nutshell: quick panel, DeX, notes, privacy, accessibility. Korea, Germany and the UK first, the rest of us are in the queue.